Of all my online purchases, brand new or refurbished, this device is the worst and unbelievable purchase I ever had. This is a refurbished item, means that this is having an issue of malfunction before and has been restored to full working order and appearance by cleaning, repairing, and reconditioning. So, I ordered this from DJI website. My first option was to purchase the brand new DJI NEO. As I keep on exploring their website, I've noticed that they are offering and selling refurbished item, so I didn't hesitate to buy the refurbished item instead of the brand new one, because this is authentic DJI website. And besides, I've been ordering refurbished item from Amazon, and I don't have any issue at all. And then I added extra battery so I can capture more videos, though the shipment was very fast and well packed. But I wasn't expecting that they will send me this defective item. But before I will dive into the main issue, let me unbox first, so you will have an idea the packaging for refurbished item. I've contacted their customer service to address this issue. Then they are suggesting to return back to them for further inspection and possible for replacement. For me, returning back is hassle on my side. I need to wait again how many days before I can use that device. And because of my frustration, I've decided not to return it back, instead make a video on it. No problem. DJI, keep my €200. I will make this video. The hell I care, this device will not work. I will buy Hover Air instead. So if you're planning to buy refurbished item on DJI, better not. You will end up like me. Well, the battery is brand new. And as you can see for refurbished item, there's a sticker written, RB means this is refurbish. So how come DJI you sell this to me which you already repair, and yet without thoroughly checking on it? And here are the items inside the box. Well, the packaging is like a brand new device, and even the device there's no sign of improper repair. But this is my first time using a DJI drone, so I need to check the beginner guide manual, and even in their website. I watch also the tutorial how to open the device. For first-time usage, it says I need to charge to activate the flight battery before using for the first time. And so I did. As you can see, the battery is fully charged. And check this out, the time, on how many minutes before I open the device. On the tutorial video, it says press once, the light will appear. Then press and hold again till the battery light indicator fully appears. But in my case, that procedure didn't work on this device. And finally, after 3 minutes of press and hold, it works. But the struggles didn't end there. So in order this device to work, must be activated through app. I thought it was just a minor issues if the Wi-Fi connection doesn't work for the first time. So I need to check again on YouTube tutorials if some instances happen like that. And on YouTube it says you need to forget the Wi-Fi password and reconnect again. And I did, but nothing happened. I keep on reconnecting and nothing works. I almost lost my patience and I'm about to hammer this device. I've been trying to forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi password, again and again. But this message always pop up. So this device will be in the box forever. €167 is not a small money. But since I posted this in YouTube, I don't have plan to return nor to be repaired by DJI. I did a biggest mistake and regret. At first, I was really planning to buy Hover Air X1, a self-flying camera drone than DJI Neo, but that brand is a bit expensive than DJI. And besides, it is DJI I didn't expect from a brand which is one of the best camera drone portfolio, that they will send and sell a refurbished item without checking it thoroughly. To summarize the issue, first turning on the device it takes more time and needed to be press and hold the power button many times before it turn on. Second, connecting the app and the device is not working. Even I tried many times to forget the password and connect it again. So, do you think that this device still functional? I would accept their offer to return this device and be repair or possible replacement, if I purchase this as brand new. But this is refurbish and you send this device to me still defective, without properly check, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you DJI, you ruined my day.
请先连接 DJI Fly App